Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Labs. So this is the continuation of Python Basic series. In this video, we'll discuss how to download Visual Studio Code and how to add the Python extension. As we have discussed in the previous videos, as and when we get the time, so we will see the different IDs for Python. Like as of now, till date we have seen in this tutorial PyCharm, ideally that is the default ID for Python, and Notepad. We have seen three IDs, three editors, how can run on these editors. So this is the fourth one, how we can run the Python code on Visual Studio Code. So for that, first of all, we need to install, and after that we need to add the extension or plugin for Python in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we will download the Visual Studio Code. So for that, write VS Code download. Okay, VS Code download. So probably this is the first link. We'll click this one, and based on the operating system, either Windows, Mac or Linux, and based on the installer, it is 64-bit, 32-bit. As in my case, this is Windows and it is my system is 64-bit. So I'll click here and see. It is only 61.1 MB software, so it will download immediately, and once it is download, then we start the installation process. Okay, so and go to the download folder. See, it is downloaded, and double click here, so it will start. So need to accept, I accept the agreement and click on next. See, it at least 250 MB of free disk space is required. It is not taking much memory, it is taking only 250 MB. So click on next, and don't create the start menu. Click on next and create a desktop icon as I need to create. Click on this one and click on next and click on install. So it will take few moments only and it will install very fastly. Okay, so once it is installed, then I'll show you how to add the Python extension for the Visual Studio Code. This is the very simple, and this ID is very lightweighted and heavily used in the industry. So click on, as see, this is the the installation is completed, and click on finish. So it will launch. Okay, so now see, it is launched, and this is the welcome window for Visual Studio Code. So how to add the extension? So we can add extension here. We need to click extension. This is the most recommended way we can add extension here for the various programming language. So as of now, we will add only for the Python. So click on extension and write here Python. Okay, Python, Python. It will show you only the a recommended one. See, and if we click here and see Python, Microsoft, this one, we need to we can go the feature contribution and all these things. This is the, and detail is here. See, how can we add the extension, all these things will, it is here, and Python contribution, changing log, all these things. So no need to go through details, all these things. So just we need to click here install. Okay, so the Python extension will install, and it will take few minutes only, and it will install. As it is installing, so once it is installed, installation is complete, then we'll run one program in the Visual Studio Code itself. Okay, so see, it is installed. This extension is enabled globally. We can disable as well. We can disable. So now if we again go to the extension and see, if we I want to show you the disable option. So let it be here, and click this one, and see, it is the disabled option is there. We can disable as well, and we can uninstall from here as well. Okay, so how many software is installed, we can see here. This is, see, this icon is shows that this software is installed, and see, this so is the recommended one, and which one is the recommended always. So whenever you are type, let's suppose you want to add extension for JavaScript, so write JavaScript, SRIPT, JavaScript. So this is the recommended one, and we can install JavaScript as well. So as of now we will not add the extension. We will only add the extension for as I have already added the extension for Python. So no need to add the JavaScript for now. This way we can add, and now we can new file like let's suppose print. And how can we save this file? So save as, and let's suppose in the hello.py, replace it, yes, so hello.py as the extension. So just we print here print. Welcome to the Visual Studio. Welcome Python python. Welcome Python in VS Code. Welcome Python in VS Code. So why it is showing def? So let's run this one. Then if there is any problem, then it will. So see, first as this is the first time, it will take some time. So see, this is successfully printed. So we can run Python code in this way from the Visual Studio Code. So this is the most lightweighted lightweight editor for Python or for other programming language as well. It supports lots of programming language. Okay. So but this time we will discuss only for Python, and as and when required we will discuss for other language as well. So that's all in this video. How can we so far we have seen in this video how can download Visual Studio Code and how can install, and finally how we can add the Python extension. Okay, so this is the way we can run in the Visual Studio Code. So that's all in this video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.